How to log into Go2 Bank online banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Go2 Bank online banking account. For that, you want to open up any web browser and search for Go2 Bank. Now tap on this website, which is go2bank.com. Once you tap on this, it will bring you to the official website of Go2 Bank. Now, in order to log in, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From this list, you want to tap on the login option. On the login portal, you will have to enter some details. Start by entering your email address. Then on the next box, you want to enter your password. If you want these details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. Now tap on the Login option. If you're facing any difficulty while logging in, simply tap on the Trouble Logging In option. In case you have forgotten your email address, tap on the Forgot Email Address option. If you have forgotten your password, tap on Reset Your Password option. In order to reset your password, all you have to do is enter your email address, check the box that says I'm not a robot, and tap on the Continue option. Then a link will be sent to your email address to reset your password. Once you have entered all the details and tap on the login option, you will be successfully logged into your Go2 Bank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.